Today I'm going to demonstrate how to generate a universal smart key using the Autel KM100 and an Autel Universal Smart Key. From the main menu, we are going to go to Universal Key, where we will select our year, make, and model of the vehicle we are going to generate the key for. Today's example will be on a 2019 Toyota Corolla. We'll select Toyota, then Corolla, and 2019. So our first option here has the same button configuration as our smart key right in front of us. What we're going to do is select that. It's going to give us some instructions, including to tell us the orientation to put it in the antenna ring and that it needs to have a battery in it. I already put a battery in the key. You can tell by the light blinking there. So what we'll do is stick this in the antenna ring, same orientation as in the photo, where we're going to hit generate universal key. Now you will have to have internet connection. I'm using a hotspot here. It might take a minute to get this generation completed, so please do not remove the key. Don't move it around. Just let it count down. It might even take a couple times. You'll see it go to 0 to 100% once or twice. But it will work. Just let it do its thing, and we'll see that shortly. Alright, so it did take a minute, but now we're showing that the universal key generation is completed. It asks if we want to continue with the generation. That'd be if we're doing another key. We're not, so we're going to hit completed, where it's going to take us back to the menu. So now our key is generated. We can go to the vehicle with a programmer, including the KM100, and actually program it to the vehicle. Now, what I would mention, these keys are very helpful. I keep a lot of stock on my truck just in case I run into a vehicle I don't have one for. They're very cost effective, but the one downfall is they don't have emergency blades. I found that the X-Horse universal blades will fit in the receptacle in this case here, but they don't actually make a roll pin or a screw that fits inside the keyhole in the back. So I'll show you what I mean. Just press this button and we take the cap off, so we can actually put like an emergency blade down there, and at the top of the case you'll see a little hole there. I've seen people have to actually drill out the key blade to get it to something to screw in there. So hopefully Autel comes out with their own roll pin or their own universal blades. Other than that little shortcoming, I think these keys are awesome, and the KM100 is definitely a good investment. Definitely pick one up if you've been looking. If you have any recommendation on other videos, let me know. I appreciate your all time.